to my channel. How are you doing? So this is the second part of my unboxing. So as you can see, this is oh, I already opened it, but let me just try to close it again and show you what kind of box is this. This is a beauty box from Allure Beauty. Yeah, so I did earlier the BoxyCharm. So this is their catalog and everything. So first item would be the Allure, another bougie. Not gonna open this. This is a vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic synthetic beauty brush. Allure, made from China. LaRouseBeauty.com. It smells good, even the packaging. So I think that's for the eye or for the lip. I don't know. I don't like to open it. I might, give it away for you guys. So we'll see about that. And then we have the Spa Natural Beauty Inner Calm. This is the clarifying. Oops. This is the clarifying clay mineral mask. So this is a mask, purifying mask to balance and deep cleanse. Yeah, that's it. And then we have the Skin & Co. Okay, this is Roma. This is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with truffle extract. Wow, shallow. Yeah, and it's so bougie. Whipped cleansing cream with truffles. Sorry. And then we have the Donginvei, whatever. So this is a what? This is Chinese. Came from the root. Oh my god, I don't know this. So I don't know this. I'll just read it from the catalog. Oh, here. Okay. Don't give a single essence of the many soothing treatments I've reached to help heal the sensitive and experienced due to stress and insomnia. Wow. It becomes to go a K-Beauty Allure Korea Best Beauty Awards winner. Oh, nice. So yeah. It retails for $54. Amazon sells this. Okay. So everything's here apparently. Here's the brushes. I just want you to see because I didn't open that. That's from Allure. And it retails for $84. See, I told you it's expensive. And then the Spa Clarifying Clay is $34. The Donginvei by whatever is $54.99. There. And then we have the Orebi, whatever you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. This retails for $42. This is a flash form finishing spray wax. So there we go. Just gonna show you because it's clear on the catalog. And then this is a no time pass eye serum. This retails for $16. Skin & Co Deep is $35. There you go. So I think I paid this for only $15. And I think I got more than $100, almost $200. So that's it, guys. So if you'd like to subscribe as well, like I said, I'm sorry everything's falling apart. Yeah, go to AllureBeauty.com, AllureBeautyBox.com, and then subscribe. This is only for $15 and you get more than $100 of products inside. Okay, so if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share, and subscribe. Mwah.